And you are now rocking with the best. Educated melanin, she beautiful and blessed. Really one of them, but she ain't nothing like the rest. I'm talking queen vibes, wifey energy, ain't nothing less. Why you so good to me, baby, that's the question. You look so good to me, you never got a question. They loving how we do it, how we pull up, we be flexing. They ain't gotta like it, but oh yes, they gon' respect it. She know she got it, if I got it, we ain't stressing. I know you here forever, sorry to the next chick. This one for the fine women, show me how you steppin'.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are installing a wig. You know I ain't do this in a long time. This wig is from Beauty World New Hair. It came with some lashes, elastic bands, like headbands, fake edges. I don't even know why they put that in there because I'm not going to use it, and a coupon code. So the wig was 180 density, virgin hair body wave HD wig in 22 inches. It was not given 22 inches, and the lace was mad light, like it was yellow. Like look at it, guys. So, and that was after my hairstylist bleached the knots. So yeah, the lace is like a red flag for me. But we are doing the bald cap method, and we're just gonna let this dry down with some got to be spray. So usually when I'm doing the bald cap method, I always got my powder with me, you know, my Fenty Beauty Toffee Teas, but I forgot it at home. So yeah, it was a little bit light, but you know, we always make it work. We had to use a lighter powder that wasn't really my shade, but like when I got home, I obviously put the Fenty Beauty Toffee Teas, but it was like a little bit light. But you know, we gonna work with whatever. Like the lace is already mad light, so like what else can we not do? So right here, she's using her glue of choice, and you know, she's about to glue down the wig. And once she puts down the wig, she's gonna make sure everything is intact. So this is why I said it's not given 22 inches. Like it's right up to my titty. Like it's 22 inches is way longer than that. I know it is, but they said it's 22 inches, so that's just what I'm gonna say. This is her method of flattening down like a side part. She puts the wax stick and then she uses the hot comb, and she's doing that with every section just so that the front is flat. So now we're cutting the lace off. I really wish I had my powder because it would really give off scalp. But you know, we always make it work, and that's exactly what we did. Even though like the lace should not even be that color. Like, I don't even think people sell lace that look like that anymore. Like, that is like, that's white, you know? Now she's separating the baby hairs, and then she's going to tie it down. She's using a spray, but this is like a hold spray. It's basically just like holding the baby hairs down, and then she's going to tie it down. And yeah, separating the baby hairs. So now she's curling the hair, and one thing I could say about this wig, like, it was very soft and it really holds the curls. Like, it holds the curls. Like, the curls literally stayed put for a long time. It didn't even drop, you know? The curls stayed up high. Like, the same way she's curling it like this, it literally stayed like that. So I didn't really get to get her curling the baby hairs and everything, but she used like a small curling flat iron to do that. And now she's just gonna hold that down in place, just so that it could last, you know. And don't mind me, I'm eating. I'm trying my best not to like make y'all hear it, but I think y'all can hear it anyway. But the curls was so beautiful. Like, that was my favorite thing about this whole hairstyle. Like, the curls really stayed in place, and then the baby hairs were so cute. I went home, I put my little powder, and the hairstyle, it really, like, you know, it really came through. Like, I was very surprised. Like, the lace really went from yellow to this, and we didn't even have my powder, guys. So big shout out to Beauty World New Hair, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Everything is going to be in the description box. Make sure y'all leave a comment. Let me know how y'all feel. Later.